पाक स्टडी दूसरा वीडियो कमीशन टेस्ट पटवारी। पार्ट सी, क्लाइमेट ऑफ पाकिस्तान। 1. पाकिस्तान लाइज इन थे ए. टेम्परेट जोन, बी. ट्रॉपिकल जोन, सी. सब ट्रॉपिकल जोन, डी. पोलर जोन। आंसर सी. सब ट्रॉपिकल जोन। 2. The climate of Pakistan is generally A. Cold and wet, B. Hot and dry, C. Mild and humid, D. Very cold. Answer B. Hot and dry. 3. The rainy season in Pakistan is A. Winter, B. Spring, C. Summer, monsoon, D. Autumn. Answer C. Summer, monsoon. 4. Monsoon winds enter Pakistan from A. Arabian Sea, B. Bay of Bengal, C. Mediterranean Sea, D. Red Sea. Answer B. Bay of Bengal. 5. Winter rainfall in Pakistan is caused by A. Monsoon winds, B. Trade winds, C. Western disturbances, D. Local winds. Answer C. Western disturbances. 6. Which area of Pakistan receives the highest rainfall? A. Quetta, B. Thar Desert, C. Mari, D. Chagai. Answer C. Mari. 7. Which region receives the least rainfall in Pakistan? A. Northern areas, B. Coastal belt, C. Western Balochistan, D. Potohar Plateau. Answer C. Western Balochistan. 8. The average annual rainfall in Pakistan is about A. 100 mm, B. 250 mm, C. 500 mm, D. 100 mm. Answer B. 250 mm. 9. The coldest place in Pakistan is A. Quetta, B. Mari, C. Skardu, D. Karachi. Answer C. Skardu. 10. The hottest place in Pakistan is A. Lahore, B. Jacobabad, C. Islamabad, D. Peshawar. Answer B. Jacobabad. 11. Coastal areas of Pakistan have A. Extreme climate, B. Continental climate, C. Moderate climate, D. Polar climate. Answer C. Moderate climate. 12. Sea breeze affects the climate of A. Quetta, B. Lahore, C. Karachi, D. Multan. Answer C. Karachi. 13. The desert climate in Pakistan is found in A. Cholistan, B. Thar, C. Kharan, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. 14. Which winds cause hot and dry weather in summer? A. Western winds, B. Monsoon winds, C. Loo winds, D. Sea breeze. Answer C. Loo winds. 15. Which province has the most arid climate? A. Punjab, B. Sindh, C. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, D. Balochistan. Answer D. Balochistan. 16. Snowfall in Pakistan mostly occurs in A. Southern plains, B. Western deserts, C. Northern mountainous areas, D. Coastal belt. Answer C. Northern mountainous areas. 17. Pakistan experiences how many seasons mainly? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer C. 4. 18. The climate of Pakistan is suitable mainly for A. Mining only, B. Tourism only, C. Agriculture and livestock, D. Industry only. Answer C. Agriculture and livestock. 19. The dry climate of Pakistan is mainly due to A. High rainfall, B. Distance from sea, C. Mountain barriers, D. Both B and C. Answer D. Both B and C. 20. Which factor does not affect Pakistan's climate? A. Latitude, B. Relief, C. Distance from sea, D. Population. Answer D. Population. Pak Study MCQS Commission. Test Patwari. Part D. Pak Study Natural Regions of Pakistan, MCQS. With answers. 1. Pakistan is divided into ______. Natural regions. B. 5. C. 6. D. 7. Test point. Answer. C. 6. Do. Which of the following is a natural region of Pakistan? A. Punjab Plains. B. Balochistan Plateau. C. Thar City. D. Islamabad District. Brainly. Answer. B. Balochistan Plateau. 3. The Indus Plain is known for its ______ soil. A. Sandy. B. Clayey. C. Alluvial. D. Rocky. Brainly. Answer. C. Alluvial. 4. Which region includes the Himalayas, Karakoram, or Hindu Kush? A. Indus Plain. B. Northern Mountain Region. C. Balochistan Plateau. D. Potohar Plateau. Test point. Answer. B. Northern Mountain Region. Punch. The plateau region located in southwestern Pakistan is called The. A. Potohar Plateau. B. Balochistan Plateau. C. Peshawar Plateau. D. Salt Range. Brainly. Answer. B. Balochistan Plateau. 6. Potohar Plateau is mainly located in which province? A. Sindh. B. Punjab. C. Balochistan. D. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Brainly. Answer. B. Punjab. 7. Which is not a natural region of Pakistan? A. Indus Plain. B. Western Highlands. C. Desert region. D. Karachi City. Test point. Answer. D. Karachi City. 8. The mountain region of Western Frontier, Suleiman, or Qatar, falls under A. Indus Plain. B. Northern Highlands. C. Western Highlands. D. Balochistan Plateau. MCQS test prep. Answer. C. Western Highlands. No. Which region is famous for fertile agricultural land? A. Balochistan Plateau. B. Indus Plain. C. Potohar Plateau. D. Western Highlands. Brainly. Answer. B. Indus Plain. Thus, natural regions are defined on the basis of A. Political boundaries. B. Cultural practices. C. Physical features. D. Population density. fca.edu.pk. Answer. C. Physical features.